people, welcome back to Taron Innovative, where the home of creativity and exploit, where we teach you how to make different types of bags and other DIYs. Alright guys, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe to my channel and click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Definitely you will like the video because I'm going to be teaching you how to make a very beautiful shopping bag, big size shopping bag. Okay, so multi-purpose bag, day-to-day bag. So let's get into the detail of the video. This is the material I'm using flex material. Okay, you can use leather, you can use any stuff you have on ground or at home. So the size is 14 by 15 inches. Okay, 14 by 15 inches. So I left this space for the folding inside. Okay, so this is 14 by 15 inches. The belt will be using 17 inches for the belt, while the side gusset or the gusset is 45 inches by 5 by 45 inches. So let's get into the detail of the video. You fold the one that is sufficient for you. Okay, you fold it, you measure 3.5 from this point. Okay guys, 3.5. You also mark 3.5 from the other side, from this end, 3.5. Are you seeing? So I'm going to do the second folding and bring out this hand neatly. Okay, so you repeat the same thing to the other side. Okay, you need 2 of these because I'm using this for the 2 sides. Okay, after this we have this. So the next thing is to fix the side. Some people call it gussets. So you ensure that they are equal. So fold sufficient material inside. Okay, then you bring it and top stitch. You stitch it. Close the button. You bring the second body and you fix it and do the same thing. You repeat the same procedure of stitching it round. When you get to this point, you shift it and continue. When you come to this side, you shift it and do the final sewing. Alright guys, if you watched to this point and you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button and join our WhatsApp group. The link will be dropped in the description box. So if you practice this, you can drop it in the WhatsApp group. So guys, this is what we have. You see that this bag is big enough to contain a lot of items. So guys, thank you so much for your time. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, click the thumbs up button. Thank you. Bye for now.